The software motif metaphor. The implicit informational content of the genome is in some ways analogous to tasks that can be accomplished by running a computer program. In both cases, a sequence of steps must be completed before the significance of the explicit information can be manifested in the real world. While it is true that a knowledgeable software developer can look at a computer program and recognize patterns that are known to bring about certain kinds of consequences, it is also true that a skilled biologist can find numerous motifs in the genome that are known to bring about certain kinds of molecular, cellular, and developmental consequences. But in both computer science and in biological science, that knowledge represents extensive previous collective efforts of discovery, experimentation, including many trials and many errors, and empirical observations and experiments by thousands of researchers. Explicit, recognizable sequence motifs in the DNA can be linked to known cellular processes that generate complexity, but only because those higher levels of complexity have already been observed, analyzed, documented, and communicated to the community at large. The genetic determinants of development are quite different than software. The fact that experts can find meaningful motifs in both before the software program runs or before development takes place reflects the fact that in both of these domains of human activity, collective knowledge has been mapped onto the explicit sequences of bits or nucleotides. But the real-world significance of those sequence motifs can only be glimpsed in the context of those maps.